Hi, today I wanted to make a dress with a piece of fabric I have, which I'm not sure what it is, but let's see how it turns out. Because the fabric is a bit too much, I'm going to make a simple dress with a sort of t-shirt and a skirt with a ruffle. And this is what I want to achieve. A simple top like a t-shirt with short sleeves and a skirt with a ruffle at the bottom. The first thing you have to do is to measure yourself. I want my skirt to be 53 centimeters long, so the first panel, the one that goes from my waist to the ruffle, I'm going to cut it at 30 centimeters. And then the second one is going to be the rest, the 23 or 25 if we count the seam allowance. So this is the roll of fabric, my piece will be this, and I'm going to sew it, making the most of the salvage area, because I'm going to use it for the ruffle. That way I don't have to sew the bottom hem. And then I'm going to cut the skirt and the body from the rest I have. So there I have the two bits that are going to be the ruffle, the main skirt, and this is going to be the bodice. Now that we have our first panel cut, we are going to sew the two extremes so it becomes a tube. And I'm going to zigzag stitch it all, just in case. So the main skirt is only one piece, and then the ruffle are two pieces that are going to be sewn together so it has more volume. And because one piece is longer than the other, we are going to gather it by hand. And now that it's all gathered, I'm going to sew it to the top bit of the skirt. And I'm going to gather as well the top of the skirt and then cut the bodice out of this bit. So now I'm going to trace the body of the shirt, and because the fabric is elastic, it should work, and I'm going to trace the sleeves at the same time. Let's see how that works. So I just tried on and it looks good. It has a sort of 70s vibe that I like. And I'm going to hem the sleeves, the neckline, and then what's left is to sew it to the top of the skirt. And that's it. So now that I have my t-shirt made, I'm going to sew it to the skirt. So I have the skirt inside out, and I'm going to tackle the t-shirt in like this. So the t-shirt is not inside out. Why? Because they have to be, we have always have to remember right sides together. So the seams go in the inside and we don't get it wrong. Well, if not, you just rip it off. And I'm going to secure it with some pins. At the end I had to add a bit of elastic in the waistband because the weight of the skirt made the dress lose its shape. But the rest was quite easy, as you saw, and I hope you've enjoyed it and you come back for more. See you in the next one. Bye!